Hi everyone, welcome to the SMT TV channel. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell on the right side to get a notification as and when I have the latest video. Show me some love, please like, subscribe and click the bell video. See you inside the channel. Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I want to talk about value investing, how to look at different models of value investing. First thing first, how do you actually determine whether a stock is good or good investment or not? One of the ways to do that is to learn how to value a stock, to find undervalued stocks. So what are the two main ways to look at valuation models? The first way is what we call the absolute model. Okay, the absolute model. The other way is what we call the relative model. Okay, so in absolute model, what we are looking at is actually the share itself. Okay, we are looking at maybe the dividends, how much dividend they are paying, how much cash flow they are generating. Basically looking at the stock, the company itself. Okay, based on dividend or the free cash flows, or maybe even the book value of the company, just on the stock itself. The relative way of valuating a company is to look at the similar company across a similar industry. To look at, example, the book value, things like P ratio, things like all these things will be looking at whether it's cheap or expensive relative to other companies in a similar country or similar sector. Okay, these are the two ways of learning how to value stocks. So let's go into the first way, which is the absolute way of valuating stocks. Okay, in the absolute way of valuating stocks, there are a few things. Okay, first way is what we call discounted cash flow. Okay, basically what you're looking at is you're looking at how much is the business generating in terms of cash flow every year. That means, as an example, they have revenue that's coming in to the business, minus off their expenses, the things they have to pay in the running of the business. At the end of the day, how much cash are they generating every year? And in discounted cash flow model, what you do is you look at the cash flow in the past, what are the free cash flow generated in the past, and use that to project into the future. And then you can project, let's say, the next 10 years, how much free cash flow is this business generating, and then discount that value to the present value. To look at all this value, if you discount 10 years later the cash flow into the current value, what is the value of that stock? Okay, this is one of the way of looking at how to value a stock using cash flow. Okay, the second way we can look at for evaluating stock, we can look at for some way we can look at what we call a dividend discount model. We should look at dividend. This way of evaluating the stocks apply to stocks that are maybe more defensive, or stocks that pay regular dividend. So if you can find a stocks that is actually paying fixed dividend or very predictable dividend over the last 10 years or 5 years, we can use that to project if they will continue to pay that dividend into the future. Let's say next 10 years they continue to pay this dividend at a certain percentage or a certain growth rate, then what will be the value of the stock right now? And you discount that future dividend payout into the current value. Then you call what you call a dividend discount model. Okay, these are a few ways that you can look at how to value a stock. Okay, what I showed are the two ways to actually look at absolute model. In the future video, I'll look at how to look for stock using the relative model. Okay, so see you in the next video.
So, if you don't want to miss another one of our trading video, remember to ring that bell.